Hello everyone here. I am telling you how to use MATLAB freely for 30 days trials. First of all, you must know about MathWorks Incorporation website. On that, your Gmail account has to be registered. So I will share the screen. We'll see how it will work. So just type in search MathWorks uh, dot incorporation inc and search it. So this first website mathworks.com will come over here. If you haven't registered it, I have already registered here. I will sign out it first. With your Gmail account, you can register here. So just go and click here. If you are new here, then just type create new one here. Your email ID, which is not used earlier in the MathWorks site. So new email ID, your country, what you are, you just type either student, teacher, or hobbies, engineer, anything else. And you must be at least 13 years old to use MATLAB and then create it. And the link will come to you and you can set the password. But I already have my account. Just I will log in here. Need to type password. Once you sign up for MathsWork account, okay, these are the license copy which were purchased by our institution through my account. But if somebody wants to get trial, you can get from here also. There are some self-paced in my first lecture of short-term training programming Mathematica and MATLAB for scientific research, I mentioned about MATLAB drive. This drive is used to do the program, online program. One can use online program if he is having the license copy. He can use here. These are the programs shared by me. Odd sum, plot x, summation. Any program you can do here. I haven't shared it. So this is MATLAB drive where you can do your online MATLAB on MathsWork account. Okay, I'll go back. There are self-paced courses also here one can do. One can do self-paced courses. I just started learning about what is machine learning and 3% I have completed it. You have to complete it. Once you complete it, you will get automatically certificate from on the MathWork site. If you want to see the certificate at present, I didn't complete it, but it will show that 3% course I have completed. See here, just 3%. So you need to do all the tasks so that at least 50% you have to complete it to get certification for. So these are the self-paced courses there. MATLAB on ramp, Simulink on ramp. Simulink is the most important nowadays. Simulink is most important part of MATLAB to stimulate or simulate the atoms. Mostly physics people, chemistry people, they want to see reactions. Physics people want to see some physical movement of the particle and all. That can be visualized. Animated videos can be prepared here. The machine learning requires lots of linear algebra knowledge. You can do it. Deep learning on ramp is also one part of machine learning. Safe flow on ramp, and many courses are coming in this COVID-19 period. So you can go through all those courses. So basic question is that we want to install MATLAB for 30 days trial. some service request, you want to some online service agreement if you are purchased something. And most important thing that we'll discuss about getting the MATLAB. So here you can get MATLAB freely. Download a trial, and it is for Get MATLAB. You can buy from here also. Get Campus Software. If somebody, some college has access of MATLAB, then in that campus, that person can use. But college has to be that type of license, Campus Software type license. Then he or she can apply it. Here you can download a trial. Once again, it is asking for the trial package, and it is, once you install it, one Gmail account, you can use it for 30 days as soon as you install it. So just you have to agree all the terms and conditions. And for downloading, it may take time. You will get latest while downloading what you want. You select trial package for the download. So suppose you want to work on automated reporting, then you can use this. You want to work on control system or data science, deep learning, these are the trial packages for download along with the MATLAB. If you want the trial packages, you can take that. Robotics, mixed signals, power electronics, predictive maintenance, SimScale. Suppose you want MATLAB essentials. In the MATLAB essential, Simulink is there, control system toolbox is there, curve fitting is there. All are mentioned here. Just select and continue. Now some downloading track will come. Yeah. Uh, this version on Macintosh also it can work Linux, Windows. So MATLAB R2020A version can be work. Initially it was not working on Macintosh, but now it works on all operating systems. So select your operating system. My system is Windows, and it will start and will take 10 minutes, 9 minutes. Okay, it depends on your speed, how fast you can download it. You have contact support for more information here. And this is the official website that you can use MATLAB for 30 days trial. You can do your work, and with one Gmail account you have 30 days trials. Then you can think how you are going to use MATLAB whenever your need is there. Now this download drag shows that it will take near about 8, 9, 10 minutes. Once it will get, then just follow the installation process. Just install it and you can run it on your system. So this is all about how the MATLAB can be used as a trial version for 30 days only we can use. Now today if I install it, now I am going to install it. If today if I install it, then I can use it for 1 month from today onwards. Later on, it won't give me permission to use that. Okay, it will. It is taking time. It's time taking. The system requirements are mentioned here. You can see what your system requirements are getting required. Suppose your Windows 10 version, Windows 7 Service Pack, Windows Server 2016. Minimum you must have 4 GB RAM, but recommendation is of 8 GB. For Windows, for Macintosh you can see. For every operating system you have to, recommendation is of 8 GB RAM, but minimum 4 GB will work, but your system may get slower. These are the Ubuntu versions, Linux versions. It will work Ubuntu above 16.04, then Linux, Red Hat, all are Linux operating systems. Macintosh also, the RAM requirement is same as all of all. Graphics card is not necessary for every operating system. And hard disk space, everybody has more than 3 GB hard disk space, then not to worry about it. So these are the Windows requirement. These are Windows requirement to install MATLAB. MATLAB 2020, this is the latest version. Whenever you go at that time, whatever version is there, you can take it and use it for 1 month. But for one Gmail account, one can use it for 1 month only. I'm not recommending you that use different email ID and use MATLAB continuously. For student version, it may be cheaper than institute version or academic version. And no need to buy all toolboxes of MATLAB. Whatever your research requirement, you can select it and just install it. So it's again asking for 4 minutes. I have to. Okay, we'll pause this video for 4 minutes or 3 minutes, and then I will tell you. Or it is getting. Oh no, okay. Let us wait for 2 minutes here. We have waited a lot. So all are requested to go for this trial version for 30 days to do your calculations. So now you have selected MATLAB Basic and selected toolbox. Whatever program you select from other toolboxes, it won't work on your what you selected. So be careful while downloading that which basic MATLAB, what MATLAB with what toolbox you have chosen. Somebody is using fuzzy logic toolbox on basic MATLAB, then the program will won't run on that. Okay, 1 minute is left for that. Near about more than 50 toolboxes are there. And for MATLAB, there is better option. There is a freeware software. Skylab is known. Mostly 90% commands are similar to MATLAB and Skylab. Skylab is freeware software. And it is also like MATLAB. One can use Skylab also for his her research. Okay, few seconds are remaining. Then we can install this MATLAB on our system for 30 days. And we'll do our workshop on this trial version. I have a license copy also as in my institute have purchased with my account. Okay, it's getting over now. Now we can see the installation process for this. Its size is 2215 MB. Okay. Due to this, extractor size may be increased, but anyway, it's download already, so we can install it. Installation also it is a time-consuming process. But what steps we need to follow, that we have to see. It's simple like other apps how you install on your system. Just go click on next, read the instructions. Okay. Do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? So first allow it. See, this MATLAB R 2020 is going to install for 30 days. So once again, it is asking for email. So just type email with your account, MathsWork account. Don't use different email for here. So next, keep in mind password. You need to use capital letter, special characters, numbers, and that you have to keep in mind. If you forget, you can. Okay, asking my password is invalid. Okay, let us see. And you have to agree all the license agreement. You can read all those things. Whatever you are doing, just read, be careful while reading this, and then accept all those what they ask for us, and select next. So you are taking MathWorks trial. You can select anyone here. I will select first, then go for next. Then this folder will be created by defaultly. If you want to change it, go and browse and change here, but it's okay. This is a natural folder made by system. It will take time. Once you start it, it will take times. You keep in mind these websites. Just type on Google MathWorks. If your Gmail account is registered with MATLAB, then okay, these all toolboxes you are taking. Symbolic math toolbox, it is used to find limit purpose. Statistics is there. Machine learning is nowadays, it's a recent trend in MATLAB. Signal processing, partial differential equations, optimization toolbox, instrumentation control. Some physics people will be there. They can choose according to that at the initial stage and go further it. Now we have taken MATLAB basic with all these toolbox. Initially we have so many options to select it. So I want to do job over here, so I select it. Next. Keep in mind this website, and you need to have Gmail account. Add shortcut on the desktop. I will show how to open from start menu as well as desktop. And now see how much time it will taking for confirmation. So it's a trial 13 product, and see this much memory is required. Installation at the software has 217 MB size, but when you install it becomes like this because of these toolboxes. Okay, we have, and see how much time it takes. It may take more time. Once it install it, you can open it to desktop or just go this start menu, search in the program. You have older version of Windows, then you can search in the program, then MATLAB, and just click on R2020A and the MATLAB window will open. Otherwise, you have it will be created on desktop. Just double click it on, it will open. If you have Windows new version, then you can type here MATLAB. You can type here MATLAB. Then you will be getting MATLAB like this, MATLAB 2020 RA. Just click on that, your MATLAB will be open. So these are the running options of MATLAB. It may take more time, so it's better after completing this, you have to finish it and launch the MATLAB and take a joy of MATLAB for 30 days. Mr. Gilbert or Dr. Gilbert has asked me to do some demo video for the participants in short-term training course of MATLAB and Mathematica for scientific research. So this is just demonstration how one can use freely trial version MATLAB for 30 days. So this was just when you are going to do workshop, yesterday workshop, then you need to install all those things. Now it will be time consuming, so better to stop here. After this has to be over, you have to finish it and launch it. Simple steps are there, nothing else. So we can stop here, and I must thanks all of you for watching and listening this video carefully. So with this, I will conclude.